up, you guys? It's me, Jess. Today I am going to teach you guys how to contour and highlight. So if you'd like to learn how to do that, then just keep on watching. Alright, so I already did my eyebrows, obviously, and my foundation, so I am ready to contour and highlight. So if you haven't done that, go ahead and do that. Next, you're going to need a concealer, which I just got mine from drugstore. It's my NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer, and this is in 02. And basically for the concealer, you're going to want to go 1 or 2 shades lighter than your actual skin color, just because it's supposed to be brightening up your face, so you're going to want to make it lighter. And then for your contour, you're going to need a darker concealer or a darker tone foundation or something, and you're going to be putting that around the edges of your face to make it look like, to like highlight the shadows, I guess, if that makes any sense. So with this, you're going to want to go 1 or 2 shades darker than your actual skin color. So concealer, 1 or 2 shades lighter, and contour is 1 or 2 shades darker. So for my concealer, I'm just using my Mary Kay CC cream, and I'm not really sure what color this is in, but I just know obviously it is darker than me. So we are going to go ahead and start with my concealer. Okay, so basically for highlighting, you're going to be focusing on the T-zone of your face, and that's where you're going to be brightening up. So it's going to be under your eyes, on top of your nose, above your lip, on your chin, and the center of your forehead. So we can go ahead and do that. So the concealer I'm using right now is like really light coverage, just because I'm trying to go for a more natural look today. Or dark bags under your eyes. Definitely go with a heavier concealer, just so that, alright, so also concealer can be used to cover up any pimples or any places that you just want covered up. So if you're breaking out or anything, you can just cover up those small little areas and it'll get you covered. So basically that's the highlighting part, and then you just take a damp beauty blender and just pat it in. Alright, so then for contour, again, I'm using my CC cream from Mary Kay. And you're going to want to place this on the outside of your face. So basically I'm just taking some on my finger, and you can see the shadows if you go like this. You can sort of see the shadows that your cheeks naturally have. So you're basically going to put the contour, like your darker shade, right on under those shadows. So it helps if you, like, you know, put your face like that so you can see where the shadows are while you're doing it. And then also, you're gonna put some on the on your forehead, like around your forehead. So you're basically just I'm trying to create the illusion that I have a smaller forehead. So I'm just putting it right here, and then down here. So you're basically gonna try to create a 3. So you're gonna go down here to try to make yourself have a stronger jawbone, or at least have the illusion. So 3. So putting that on your jaw and just following that up. And now it's time to blend. And don't worry if it gets a little messy, because I'm gonna teach you how to clean it up. Alright, so as you guys can see, we have sort of contoured our face. As you guys can see, it definitely bronzed up my face, and now we're going to work on the nose. So we love a snatched nose, so we're going to go into this brown right here, and I honestly like taking the like a powder contour just because I feel like it can get really messy with a cream contour on the nose, but it's just everyone's preference. So I'm going to take some brown and contour my nose. So you're going to try to make it look as skinny as possible. And we're going to blend that out. So basically I'm going to take my translucent powder. This is Airspun. It's in translucent. So yeah, I'm going to take that powder, and you're basically going to put it everywhere that you just concealed. You're also going to do it right underneath where you contoured on your cheeks. So it helps if you use the tip of the beauty blender, and it gives you more precise access to your nose. We're gonna have a sharp snatch nose. And we're just gonna let that bake. Alright y'all, so I just finished my eye and put my eyelashes on, mascara. So now we are going to brush this off. It has been on here a little bit too long. That baking was setting the concealer, and now we are going to set the contour, and you're going to find yourself a brown that matches your contour color, and you're going to go ahead and put that over and bronze up your face. Alright y'all, so this finished look. If you guys would like me to make a makeup tutorial how I did this look, then go ahead and just comment down below. Give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time.